Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, anxious, insecure, scarcity, tiredness, loneliness, or perhaps even joyfulness, know that you're not alone in that. So many people can relate. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. To have faith that everything is unfolding as it should, and that we're learning, growing. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position, actually taking the time to become aware how you're sat, putting distractions to the side, putting the past to the side, putting the future to the side, as you come into this moment unlike any other moment thus far. Second, just to become aware of your space, aware of your surroundings, noticing colors, textures, the sensation of touch, the coolness or warmth of the air, any sounds, smells, just becoming sensitive to your space. Closing the eyes now, safe to close the eyes, bringing the attention in, witnessing and welcoming your thoughts, your anxieties, your frustrations, any tensions in the body, all is welcome. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling out your mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhaling old life, old energy, releasing, letting go. slowly and softly. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Keeping aware of your posture, relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your hands and feet, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale, releasing stress. Relaxing into the meditation, trusting the process. Breathing in, holding the breath, and exhale, letting go of insecurities. Feeling insecurity leave the mind, leave the body, simply letting it go. Letting go of self-limiting beliefs, coming back into abundance, an abundant mindset, recognizing how much love you actually have to give, how many opportunities are here, how many blessings have already manifested. Breathing in slowly and softly. Exhale, knowing that you're exhaling, being aware. Breathing in. And exhale. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your face. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Allowing the mind to be totally free as you continue to look inwards, witnessing and welcoming yourself as you are. Letting go of thoughts, relaxing into yourself, becoming aware of your posture, taking a deep breath in and exhale. Way to go, my friend. Way to stick with it. Bringing a smile to your face. Bringing a smile to your heart, to your belly, to your chest, to your mind. Bringing a smile to your pain, to your fears, worries. Bringing a smile to it. Remembering how strong you are. If you're going through something today, know that this too shall pass. Just try your best to enjoy while doing your best. To do our best is to feel our best. Becoming aware of your breath. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You've lived to see another day. Won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale. Letting go of negativity. Coming back into trust. Breathing in 3 times. Exhale 3 times. Becoming aware of your posture, feeling your belly relax, face relax, shoulders relax, hands and feet relaxed, feeling your heart, your mind relaxed, present, rooted in your body, rooted in this moment. The color for today is brown. The number is 5,000, and the animal is a woolly mammoth. I thank you for joining me across time and space. I hope that this meditation was soothing, to inspire you to smile, to breathe through the pain, recognizing that the pain will pass, the pain comes, it goes. Just be aware of the anxieties, of the depression, of the loneliness, and be with it today. Spend some time to just be with yourself without any distractions, feeling the sun on your skin, listening to the birds singing, feeling the wind on your face, just being present. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.